We're going to check out the water. This is a 2016 El Nino. Up here in North Louisiana we say water. In South Louisiana they say water. Alright, this is the Choctaw Bayou, which is one house down from where I live. Normally this is just a little stream, but as you can see, it's really flooded. Really flooded. We're going to take a look down here. Hopefully I don't fall in and get swept away. Jesus. Okay, it's not quite going over the bridge yet, but that's quite a bit of water. Jesus. Yeah, this water about to get in this guy's house. As you can see, you need to get him some sandbags. Now I'm gonna walk around and take a look in the back.